The next top story is turn any 3D printer into the ultimate orange pilling machine. This is from Jason B. 10 hours ago. Bitcoin territory. Only 4 comments though. 11,400K sats. So he made out like a bandit. Keyan, what is this crap?
Yeah, it's not crap.
It says crap right there.
Oh, it does say
right here. It says
so
skip all this crap.
And you can go to the freaking tutorial, which is at the bottom. But he's explaining
Which is the tutorial.
What led up to the tutorial. It's at the very bottom. But Jason B continues to volunteer at Bitcoin Akasi in South Africa. And there at South Africa, I guess he has turned sort of into their like IT person a little bit, and is helping them because it seems like he has a diverse set of skills. And he's helped them dust off their 3D printer and is training them on how to use the 3D printer that they had sitting around.
Oh, cool.
And he has...
Well, why did he call that crap then?
I think he was just being self-deprecating.
Don't be self-deprecating.
This is what humility looks like. I know it's pretty unfamiliar to a lot of people in Bitcoin, but...
don't be self-deprecating.
This is what humility
looks like. You got to puff out your chest in Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's what makes it hard to understand, self-deprecating humility.
Oh, that's cool. So he prints out the, is that a lightning address?
I think it could be. It also could be a BIP21 on-chain address. I haven't scanned it yet, but
how about I scan it right now?
Scan it.
Scan it. Let's see. And anyway, so Jason B is fond of orange pilling servers, and I guess
what is it?
Various retail employees via tipping Bitcoin to them.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, I guess I can tip them that way. Or no, that's probably no.
It's a lightning address.
Here, try this one. What about this one?
But it came up.
What is this one right here?
So Jason B is fond of tipping people in Bitcoin as a way of orange pilling them. He says his success rate even
interesting.
Success rate even in Ohio is 10% orange pilling via tipping. And he said in South Africa, in Bitcoin Akasi adjacent area, he said it's 50%. And he is trying to improve that, and the way he's going to improve that, I guess, is by giving these basically keychains or these 3D printed what would you call it? I don't know what you call it. The 3D printed items to people that have these QRs on them, and they can use that to receive tips or payments. He said even when he goes to pay in a lot of the stores that support paying with Bitcoin there, it's usually tied to a wallet that the employee working at the store does not have access to. And so if the owner isn't there, they can't really pay in Bitcoin. So
I love this, man. This is fantastic.
And he gives,
I love it.
He gives a walkthrough. If you have a 3D printer of any kind, more or less, you can
keep it going. Keep it going, Jason B. This is how you do it, man. Don't let Tether come in there and just drop fiat. Do it your way. Do it with Lightning. Do it with Bitcoin. Make it happen for your own community. That's what I say. Love to see this. Let me know if Car can help. Love to see this. This is amazing, dude. This is what I'm telling you, man. Bottom up. Bottom up.
All right. Yeah.
Don't wait for him. Just do it. Just do it. Puppo, you got anything for this?
Can you even see what we're talking about?
Well, I actually put this story in the zine, so I've had my eyeballs all over it.
Did you make the zine wearing those glasses now?
No.
She's basically saying she's already read this.
But I do love the idea, and I love the 3D printed and the utility behind it. Yeah, but it's also I don't know what the lithograph is necessarily, but just for fun. But it looked cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
And yeah, I want to hear more about it. It's awesome.
Yeah, he should. If he has access to like a video camera, I would love to see him do a
vlog.
Yeah, do like a vlog. Awesome.